Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Jax from the Amazing Digital Circus. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Jax from the Amazing Digital Circus, let's begin by drawing his head. So I'm going to start right up here and I'm just going to begin by making an oval shape for the head. So we're just going to make a nice oval shape right up here for the head. Next, I want to make the mouth. So I'm going to draw a line that kind of comes up at a diagonal. And then we're going to make a nice big smiley face shape. And then I'm going to add a couple little lines right in here. Now for the eyes, I'm going to draw a straight line across. And then a nice big sad face shape. And then this one I'm going to make a little bit smaller. So I'm going to make another straight line across. But I'm going to make more of like a rectangle shape as I go up, over, and then down. I'm going to make a line that comes down, make a little notch in there, and then straight down. And then we'll just go ahead and color this part in for the pupil. And then this one, I'm going to come down, make that little notch, and then just do a little curve here, and then color it in for the pupil. Next, starting here for the ears, I'm going to draw a line that curves up, and then comes down. And then same thing here, we're just going to go up, and curve it down. You can see it's a little bit fatter up here, and a little skinnier down there. Now for the neck, I'm going to draw two lines that come down. Next on the shoulders, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and down. And then same thing here, I'm going to come up and down. Now for the arm, I'm going to bring this down. And then we'll come up at an angle. We'll bring this line down. And then we're just going to come down and then up. He's got really skinny arms. Right here, I'm just going to make an oval shape for his glove. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around and come back down for the thumb. We'll make a long line that comes out for his pointer finger. And then I'm going to curve a line here, and then one more here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go down to here. You can see it's a little wavy. And then same thing here. We're just going to kind of follow that same curve. I'm going to make a line that curves across the bottom on each one. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up here. And a line that's going to come up here and over. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and up. And then same thing here, down, over, and then up. Curve this line down and then bring it up. And then same thing here. I'll curve this line down and then bring it up. I'll make a little line right here for his toes. And then I'm going to put two little lines right here. Now on this arm, I'm going to bring this out. And then I'm going to come in. Then I'll do the same thing. I'll bring this out and come in. I'll put a little oval shape here. Then I'll curve this line around like this and a line up here. And then I'm going to put two curves here. Next, I'm going to bring a line down and then up here. And then same thing here, a line that comes down and then up. Then we'll make a line that comes across here. And then I'll put 2 circles on here for the buttons. And there you go, there is your drawing of Jax from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.